Another field test. It's getting colder, about 2 degrees Celsius. That makes the antenna setup a bit more difficult, but nevertheless I could drop the setup time down to 5 minutes and 47 seconds. Fortunately, I took a video about the whole setup process, and because I have fun improving things, let's analyze it. Where am I losing time? How fast theoretically it could go? The backpack is lying on a bench inside that little wood house on the left, and the time starts. First thing I'm doing is to put out everything from the backpack. The transceiver, a Lab 599 TX500, my tool roll with antenna spools and stuff, and the coax cable. I'm bringing then the transceiver to its position on the ground and turning it on. It will start the built-in Raspberry Pi with JS8 call, waiting for the GPS signal and correcting the time of the Raspberry Pi. That will run independently, so I will not lose time with that process. So far, great. Oh wait, I did already one mistake. I left the tool roll, the pole and the coax inside the wood house, so I had to go a second time inside, losing about 9 seconds. Then I'm going to the approximate center of the antenna, pushing the pole mount into the ground. After that I extend the pole, connect the 2 spools with the antenna wire to the end of the pole and connect the 2 antenna wires together. For each spool I'm unwinding about the height of the pole, so that during putting up the pole the spools are not flying around. With cold hands I had some problems with one spool to get it going, losing another 10 seconds. Then I put up the pole and unwind the spool that will later be connected to the 1-to-49 transformer. But that's another mistake. I should have gone to the other side first. That would reduce the walking distance. I will add another 10 seconds to the lost time. I know the antenna is still overall too long, so I wind about 12 windings back onto the spool, because I assume that should get me close to the correct antenna length for the 40-meter band. I'm tightening the antenna and put the 10th peg into the ground. On the way back to the transceiver, I take the tool roll, what is still lying beside the pole. The transformer is next, connecting it to the right end of the antenna. Because I forgot the coax cable in the wood house, I lose another approximately 6 seconds. I should have carried the coax cable always together with the tool roll from the beginning. I nearly finished the setup. The coax cable will be connected to the transceiver and the SWR is measured. I remember it was 2.0. Not bad, but I want to have it at least below 2. If you long push the tune button on the TX500, you will see a chart with the SWR. With that you can check if the antenna is too short or too long. No time for that, I was quite sure it was too long. By moving the spool upwards, I reach finally an SWR of about 1.4. The last adjustment of the antenna length cost me about 21 seconds. At this moment the setup is finished. The antenna is set up and JS8 call is ready to transmit. Without all the errors, 5 minutes would be reached exactly to the minute. With more practice, I'm sure it's probably possible to get under 4 minutes, or even less. That was a fun field test. I hope you also enjoy all your ham radio projects, and I wish you a nice day. Thanks for watching. Today how much? 70 kilometer. 70 kilometer.
Warm up.
Barefoot shoes, you see.
Ja, genau.